Namaste everyone, I am your co-host Shavni ma'am. Welcome to your favorite learning channel. The topic for today's video is differences between breathing and respiration. So, people often tend to misuse these terms breathing and respiration in the sense that they interchangeably use these two terms. But breathing and respiration are two different processes. Okay, so let's see what are the differences between them. The first parameter that we will consider here is the definition of two terms. So, breathing is actually a process of inhaling. What is inhaled here? Of inhaling oxygen from the environment, from the environment and exhaling carbon dioxide back to the environment. Okay, so this is the process of breathing. Now respiration is also a process, but what happens in respiration? It is a process of breakdown. It is a process of breakdown of glucose to release. This releases energy, and this energy is utilized by body to perform different functions of the body, different functions or different activities of the body. So this is the process of respiration. Next parameter we would see is type of the process. So what type of process is breathing? It is a type of physical process. Okay. Then respiration, it is a biochemical process. Okay. Then third parameter would be the process. So in this process it involves, that is breathing involves exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, this is the process of breathing, whereas respiration involves oxidation of glucose takes place in case of respiration. Okay, now the next parameter that we would be discussing is the location. So the process of breathing takes place in and out of the lungs. That is, the oxygen is inhaled and carbon dioxide is exhaled out of the lungs. So lungs help in the process of respiration, whereas lungs help in the process of breathing. Okay, whereas respiration takes place in all cells and tissues of the body. Okay, so all the cells and tissues of our body perform the process of respiration. Then the next parameter would be energy. So in case of breathing, energy is not released, whereas in case of respiration, energy is released. Okay, so let's just quickly revise the things that we have covered. So we first saw the definition of the two processes. So breathing is the process where oxygen is inhaled from the environment and carbon dioxide is exhaled back to the environment. Then respiration is such a process where glucose breakdown takes place, and this breakdown results in the release of energy. Then this energy is utilized by our body to perform different activities or functions of the body. Okay. Then the second parameter was type of the process. So breathing is a physical process, whereas respiration is a biochemical process. Then this process, in the third parameter, we saw how the process occurs. So in the process of breathing, oxygen and carbon dioxide gets exchanged. Okay, whereas in case of respiration, it involves oxidation of glucose, and hence it is called biochemical process because glucose is being oxidized in this process. Then the fourth parameter was location. So we saw that breathing takes place in and out of our lungs, whereas respiration is such a process that takes place in all the cells and tissues of the body. Okay. Then fifth parameter we considered was energy. So we saw that energy is not released in case of breathing, whereas in case of respiration, energy is released, and this energy is released in the form of adenosine triphosphate molecules called ATP, which are the energy currencies of the cell, as this energy is further utilized by our body to perform various activities of the body. Okay, so I hope you all would have got some great insights by watching today's video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Till then, thank you for watching.